question that we've been asked is every month on the 25th, it's a nice habit to actually print out all the compliance documents that the law society wants. How do I go about doing it in ULaw? I mean, all compliance documents are actually in here. Like, the ledgers are here, the trust in general, the journals are here. You need to do a reconciliation statement, fee book, expense book, everything is here. But what we did in ULaw is we also brought in a panel called compliance panel. So you can just click on this panel here and it will list all the stuff that you need to do. So this is the 2 ledgers you need to download, the 4 journals, the fee book, the expense book, and the reconciliation. And you can go one by one. You can just say, oh, I want to download the client trust for the month of April. So you can just say download monthly. Once you choose monthly, it automatically changes the date as you see here from the first of the month to the last of the month. And once it's done that, you just go ahead and hit the download button. Now, when you finish hitting the download button, it'll obviously download it here. But when you go back to the software, you'll see that it puts a check mark and says trust is downloaded. Now you move on to the next. You say general and you say done. Again, you would say monthly. Again, it'll automatically pick this. Now you can do it for quarterly or any other date range too, but we recommend that you do it on the monthly basis and hit the download button. Now if we go back to the software, it says ledgers are done. Similarly, you can do fee book, you can do expense book. So one by one you would do it. Now if you've already downloaded the journals, you can just mark them and say I've already finished that and move on to the next and complete it. Like for example, I can say reconciliation. It'll bring in all the deposits and the balance. Obviously you need to refer to your bank, start filling it, and then hit the download button. So one by one we would actually go ahead and do all the compliance documents, and once we have completed the entire stuff, we can just hit the close button and you've completed your compliance documents for the law society. Again, to summarize, rather than individually going and downloading every document, we strongly recommend that you hit document generation and hit the compliance menu and then go through this exercise on a monthly basis to download all the documents.